So for this problem, we're asked to count the number of solutions to this equation, saying that the sum of 4 variables is equal to 12. The variables, labeled x1 through x4, must have values that are non-negative integers. And we're going to solve this counting problem by showing a bijection to a problem that we've already solved, the number of ways of selecting 12 objects from 4 distinct varieties. The bijection is defined by assigning to each variable the number of that variety selected. So x1 is the number of variety 1 that's been selected, and x2 is the number of variety 2 that's been selected, and so forth. The fact that the 4 variables must sum to 12 corresponds to the fact that the total number of objects selected is equal to 12. To establish that we actually have a bijection, observe that an assignment of values to variables corresponds to a unique selection. For example, the value of x1 is equal to 5, so 5 objects of variety 1 have been selected. Similarly, a selection of objects from the 4 varieties corresponds to an assignment of values to variables. For example, no objects of variety 2 have been selected, so the value of variable x2 is equal to 0. Since we have a bijection, the number of solutions to the equation is equal to the number of ways to select 12 objects from 4 varieties. We saw earlier that the number of ways to select 12 objects from 4 varieties is 12 plus 4 minus 1, choose 4 minus 1, which is equal to 15, choose 3.